Hello, this problem is from the 2009 Purple Comet. How many ordered triplets, A, B, C, of odd positive integers satisfy A plus B plus C is equal to 25? Well, just looking at this problem, it seems to be impossible to figure out. It's like you can count all of them and still miss a gajillion. It'll take hours. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and solve this a totally different way, and I'm going to start off by saying that A, B, and C, figuring a way of writing them as odd positive integers. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to say A will be 2 of any number plus 1. That means that whether K is 3, then A will be 7. If K is 1, then A will be 3. So no matter what K is, A will always be odd. So that make sure that A is always going to be odd. And then for B, it'll be the same thing. I could just use some different coefficient, for example, W. And then for C, again, it's the same thing, and I'll use Y. Okay? So same principle in all of these. Now the other thing I know is that A plus B plus C is 25, and I could substitute these in for A, B, and C. So that's going to be 2K plus 1 plus, and B is 2W plus 1 plus, and C is 2Y plus 1. 2Y plus 1. And that is going to be equal to 25. Well, you can group this up into 2K plus 2W plus 2Y, and then plus 3. Sorry if the lighting's off here. That's going to equal to 25. That means that factoring out of 2 of these, you have 2 times K plus W plus Y is going to equal to 22. Dividing by 2, we get K plus W plus Y is equal to 11. Now when we have a problem like this, we could use this thing called stars and stones or something like that. Where basically we'll have, since the integers go up to 11, we'll have 11 stars. And since we can group it into 3 piles, we're going to put 3 grouping mechanisms. So if I have 11 stars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? 3, 3, 3, 3, 2. There we go. Okay, we're going to group it into 2 piles. So we're going to have one group on this side, one group here, and then the other group here. Okay, oh, that line did there. And we could also have, in theory, these lines next to each other. Sorry about that call. I'll answer it in a bit. We could also, in theory, have these lines next to each other. Doesn't really matter. This is a combinatorial question. So basically we have 13 total options, and we need to group them up using those 2 sticks. So the answer is going to be 13, choose 2. So thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.